Damn, who told you to be looking this good? Sheesh. With the flag in the background? Yeah, that's dope. Hey, what is going on, guys? It is ridiculously hot outside today, and we'll check here in a minute, but it's stupid hot outside. I had sweat rolling down my arms just letting the dogs out. So I think it's a perfect day to hit up Sanic and get a nice cold drink. I'm gonna take out my car and we'll go get some rolling clips and stuff. Nothing special. It's a Sunday, we're chilling. I got my GoPro on. Let's get going. Yeah, so look at this, guys. It is currently 94 freaking degrees, but down here it's also a 40% humidity, so feels like 99. Yeah, there is a... Look at that. Boom! That's not good. It's too damn hot. Why did I move here? Cold start. I don't know if you can see those guys, but they really seem to like my car. And I hope they're moving in and not moving out. That'd be fun. Bro, can we go? Good Lord, man. What's your favorite drink from Sonic? Comment down below and I'll try it. We'll the best one we'll go and try, and I'll rate it. Alright, we'll see. Hey, actually the person in front of me is from New Mexico. Let's go. That's funny. They probably escaped, moved down here too. Hi, can I do a large grape limeade with vanilla? And just some large mozzarella sticks, and that'll be it. Thank you. Yeah, check it out, New Mexico gang. What up? What you doing here? Did you move here too? Careful, it's hot. There's also just like a giant traffic cone out in the road, and everybody's driving on it instead of fixing it. I think I'm gonna fix it real quick because yeah, unlike everybody else here, I don't think I have the road clearance to just drive over that real quick. Let's fix this cone.
A few minutes later.
There we go. Now my car can get through. I don't feel like having my wrap get ripped off because I went over a traffic cone. Not my definition of a good day. Thank you.
Happy eating.
You too. Alright. You know what I think we should do? I think we should go check out the Ferrari dealership real quick. It's just up the road. Let's go look at some Ferraris. not going that fast. Like, I'm literally going the speed limit. It's just so fun to get to the speed limit really quick. So fun. Alrighty, let's see. The Ferrari dealership is fenced. No, that's probably for good reason, to be honest. I don't know if you can even see that. Ooh. They got a Bentley in there. They got a Porsche. Damn it. Why are they locked? Rip. So we're just going to respect that they're closed, and we're going to go across the street to the Tesla dealership. We'll take a look at the Teslas. That's a little bit further away. I know that one is open. Well, like an open parking lot. Yeah, there's a Lexus dealership. Interesting. There's actually a lot of people here too. Actually, there's people inside too. Is this dealership open on a Sunday? What the fuck? I think it is. Oh, I'm kind of stuck in here now. I don't want to get harassed by salespeople. I just wanted to look at Teslas. Trash. All right. Well, let's back up and try not to hit one of these cars, and then. Yeah. I don't feel like. Sorry, Elon. I'll buy Doge, but not a Tesla. Never had my mozzarella sticks in a bag before. Trying to maneuver this with one hand's kind of hard. Bruh. So we got a C8 over here. Move that out of the way because we got an LC500 behind it. Oh, these cars are so bad. It's got that nice red interior on there too, dude. They're so sick. This Jeep really isn't $100,000, is it? 99? There's no way that's right. I mean, it's sick, it's badass, but maybe I just don't respect Jeeps the way I'm supposed to. But there ain't no way I'm buying a $99,000 Jeep. Obviously, I'm not buying shit because I'm broke, but I mean, this thing is sick, but I really hope that. I mean, I'm not reading it wrong. 99? Almost 100. Sick though. I mean, no disrespect to Jeep owners, but like, nah, bro. If that's the price, hell no. Oh shit. Sheesh. Ooh. All right, we're gonna go next door to the Subaru dealership and see what they got over here. So they don't have any of the new Rexes, which I was kind of hoping to see in person, but over here nestled in the back corner is a WRX with a freaking big wing on it, bro. And I see a little Perrin badge there, so that could mean that there's Perrin bolt-ons. I dig it, bro. Sheesh. Oh, it's got the factory duckbill on there and the big wing, bro. Oh, and they got a deflector up here too. Okay. I dig this build. I miss my big wing though, like for real. My big wing BMW, bro. I miss that shit. Dude, this is clean, man. I like it. There's not really any information on it, either that or the windows. Oh, here we go. Oh, kinda. Let's see. No prices. It's only got 41,000 on it though. They want you to talk to them about it. That's why they don't put prices. This is nice though. I dig it. This color's nice too. And then we got a lightning blue one back there too, but I don't want to go too far because I don't know if that one might be an employee's. Yeah, this is clean, man. I like that. I like that build. Needs some low and some new wheels. I almost left the parking lot and I see this one nestled over here. We got aftermarket exhaust that I can see. It's got that third brake light mod. It's got some aftermarket wheels. Let's see. A nice little blue color, like dark blue. I like it. I actually really like these wheels, and the fitment on them is pretty good. If you just get a little bit of low on there, you're pretty much set. And those exhaust tips look mean as hell too. This is sick. Dang, bro. Whose car is that? Sheesh. Damn, who told you to be looking this good? Sheesh. Who let you out of the house? That's actually a sick picture right there though. Damn. With the flag in the background, yeah, that's dope.
A little later.
So this will be my last stop, but I came up the road to the hey, got some backfire on that C8. Came up the road to the Volkswagen dealership, and look what I found. Freaking all-track. Like, bro, an all-track off-road build would be so badass. Low-key, I would love to do that. It's already got the knobby tires on there. Oh yeah, it's already got the knobbies on there. Dude, this thing is so sick. I actually really like how like the center of the wheel sticks out further than the spokes. I really like that, and I don't know why. But this thing's badass, dude. 28.9, that's not bad. And it's a manual, bro, no way. No way, dude. Oh, they're trying to get me to buy some shit today. Dude. This thing would be so fun. No lie. I would have a blast with this thing, dude. Oh. All right, I need to walk away before I walk out of here with it. We got a couple Golfs over here, a couple GTIs. Right off the bat, I see that somebody got the vinyl kit so they can match their front emblem. I like it. Wonder what else they have done to it. It's nice though, it's nice. I came here hoping to find a Mark 8 Golf just to see in person, but I don't think they have one. Or they don't have it outside. It might be in the showroom, but yeah, I'm not seeing one in here. Freaking rip. So you could buy this Jeep for half the price. Alrighty guys, well I'm gonna go home and sit under an air conditioner. I hope you enjoyed. Drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe to my channel. I've got tons of stuff for you to watch, and I will see you guys next time. Peace. Drink water. It's freaking hot.